Hey there, you're watching the Sellvia channel. In this video, we'll show you how to create an Amazon seller account. The first thing you should know is that multiple seller accounts are prohibited by Amazon's selling policies, so if you create more than one, both will get blocked. If you already have an Amazon seller account, just use it and you won't face any problems. The second thing to keep in mind is that if you've purchased the premium product service by Sellvia, you've got to purchase a Pro Amazon subscription too. Otherwise, our team won't be able to upload products, fix possible errors, check your account health, or adjust shipping for you. The subscription costs $39.99 per month, but you'll only have to pay for the first month. Once we do our job and deliver the service to you, you'll be able to downgrade your Pro subscription plan to the individual one, which is free and only requires paying transaction fees. Please note that if you've got a buyer's Amazon account and want to create a seller one, Amazon allows that. Are you sure you don't have an existing seller account? Let's create one right now together. Step 1. Go to the Amazon seller account registration page. Enter your name, email address, and password. Click Next. Verify your email address. To do that, just open your inbox and copy the code sent by Amazon to the corresponding field. Step 2. Add and verify your mobile number. Step 3. Select your business location. Please note that if you don't have business in the United States and you are not a U.S. resident, you must enter your country of residence. Step 4. Choose your business type. If you don't know what type of business to choose, we recommend you to choose LLC, because it's more convenient in terms of tax paying and deduction. However, if it's impossible, the individual enterprise will also be fine. Then enter your first and last name. Click Agree and Continue. Step 5. Add primary contact person information, residential address, and click Next. Please note that you need to indicate your real address, as your verification code will come directly to that physical address. Without the code, you won't be able to verify your account. Please remember that Amazon reserves the right to request proof like your electricity or internet bills. Step 6. Add and verify your bank account, which will easily deposit and withdraw money between your bank account and your Amazon Payments account. If you don't see your bank in the drop-down menu, just click Other and manually type in its name and your credit card details. You can also use debit cards, but they shouldn't be prepaid, virtual, or gifted ones. Your card should be fully active and payments via the internet should be available. Then enter payment information and click Next. Step 7. Enter your store name. You can use any name that isn't already taken on Amazon. Select No for all 3 questions on this page. Click Next. Step 8. Upload your documents to verify your identity and address. And congrats, you are done. Amazon will verify your account within 2 business days. Amazon will send you a postcard with a code to verify your address. Once you get the postcard, you must enter this verification code here. When registering as a professional seller with Amazon, you will also be asked to complete identity verification using a video call. During the live video call, a manager from Amazon will assist you with the verification process. Now it's time to set the return address. You need to use the address of Sellvia warehouse. To change the return address, go to Settings, Return Settings. Select Manage Return Addresses and click Manage your return address. Then edit and set the address and the phone number. Please note, your address name and your full name must be yours. If you have issues with registering your Amazon seller account, please check the links in the description below this video. In case you purchased premium product service, please add your Amazon store name in the roadmap and click Save. Have a great day ahead and see you soon. Bye.